on? It's your girl Tay. Welcome to another video, y'all. If you are new, what's up? What is good? Welcome to the family, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a video. So I am back from the gym, y'all. As you can see, I still got my gym clothes on. I'm a little beat, a little tired, but I feel really good. It's so good to be back in the gym, y'all. I mean, it's been a minute. I used to be like a gym head. I used to always be in the gym. But long story short, I always used to be on my health journey. Like I started going to the gym when I was in high school. And then from then on, it was like, so I've always been on a up and down weight loss journey and things like that. But I really feel like now is my season, and I found, of course, awesome and amazing products that are helping me reach my goals even faster, y'all. This has been an awesome and amazing week, y'all. I mean, I helped a few people this week, get started on their TLC journey, y'all. Shout out to y'all who got started with these products, who chose to, let TLC help you on your weight loss journey, your health goals, or your health lifestyle, whatever the case is. But shout out to you ladies for getting started. Super happy for you. Cannot wait for your results to come in and your testimony. Like I said, I love to help people, so I'm really in it for your testimony. You know what I mean? Because I know what these products are doing for me, and I know what they will do for you. But listen, y'all, a lot of people are still trying to figure out what's the buzz with TLC, what's the buzz with CBD. Total Life Changes, TLC, TLC is short for Total Life Changes, is in a high momentum, like right now, guys. So right now is the best time to get started with TLC. A lot of people say the best time to get started with a company or anything is when a new product is about. TLC has great, awesome products. We dropped two new products. We dropped 2 new products recently, but in general, our 3 latest new products is the CBD tea, which is the first CBD tea, the raspberry tea that's now out, and the CBD is the raspberry tea, and the CBD superfood for the CBD superfood for the face, which is called Rejuve. I have some on the way, y'all. I'll show you guys that once I get it. So it's really in high momentum, guys. So if I were you, I would get started today with TLC to lock in my position, y'all, because timing in position is everything. So I would get started, lock my position in, get binary qualified, and even if you don't want to push the business right away, fine. Stay focused on getting your results. You know what I mean? Once you get started, you get your $50 starter kit, and then you pick these 2 products to get started with, and you take them. Get your own testimony within your first 30 days, y'all. And then once you see how you feel and your results, it will be so easy for you to share these products with other people because you have a true story to tell, y'all. So as you know, this amazing CBD detox tea is the best, y'all. This company is super awesome and amazing, y'all. We are the only company in the industry that has a CBD detox tea. And also that gets paid daily. Yes, TLC gets paid every day. You sell you a bag of tea, you get paid $20. You get that tomorrow. And that's if you sell you 5 bags of tea, y'all. That's $100 you can make today and get paid tomorrow. Today's actually payday, Thursday, for us TLC reps, y'all. So yes, I did get my email. But truly, honestly, y'all see the buzz. Y'all see what's going on. Why wait? If you see something that's actually working, why wait? Why let it pass you by, y'all? This company is truly awesome and amazing, and it has completely changed my life, y'all. This company has opened my eyes to see that, health is important, you know what I mean? And it's important that we take care of health and the people around me. This is why I share these products with people I talk to, my friends, my family. It's just up to you to really, want it. I don't want to push everything like, hey, go buy the product. No, because there's more than that. I really want you to experience these products for yourself, like I have, y'all. So I lost 22 pounds, down 22 pounds. I checked the scale today, 2 more, so that's 24 pounds down, y'all. I used to weigh 250 pounds. Now I'm at like 226. So super happy about that. And now it is go time. So March, I'm really taking myself to another level, y'all. Like I was in the gym yesterday, and once I hit 30 minutes, I was like, oh man, I want to stop so bad. Like I'm tired, I'm sweating like crazy, I want to stop. But it was just in my mind. So I said, you know what, let me just keep going. I did the 40 minutes. So I was like, yes. You know what I mean? So it's just a mind thing, y'all. So I really want you guys to experience TLC for yourself. Not even just the products, but the community. The products, definitely. The community and the pay, guys. The pay is so good. We get paid 6 ways with this company. And the reason why I stress the pay part, because we are in a time of, you know, people working 6 and 7 jobs. I may be exaggerating, but you never know. Just to make ends meet, y'all. And, you know, trading your hours for dollars, your time, working for somebody else who could fire you any day. You know what I mean? So this is really why I really want to help, you know, 10 women get started, because I know you could use an extra $500 a week, a month. I mean, I made $600 this week. And I'm like, still like, what? Mind blowing. Like, I didn't have to clock in, y'all, to nobody's job. I was folding clothes, chilling with my daughter. Listen, doing things I do on a regular basis while still being consistent and promoting these products, pushing these products, building relationships with people to see what it is that they want, what is their health goals. And they talk to me, we talk, I suggest products, what I think they should start with, and boom. When you help people get what they want, by default, you will get what you want. So I made me $600 this week, y'all. Go ahead and clap it up. Super happy, super proud. And my team, you know what I mean, is excited and ready to take things on, y'all. So listen, I want you guys to understand that when you decide to do something different for yourself, whether it's working out, eating healthy, losing weight, making money, it's not going to happen overnight. When you start your new job, the day you go in for training, they don't pay you for that day. You get paid the next day for it. No, you gotta wait a whole week or two to get paid for what you did. You know what I mean? So it's just a lot. I'm really in it for the time freedom as well. It's just so much going on, and I know a lot of you guys can use an extra. What could an extra $20 do for you a day? An extra $100. Some people don't even have $20 to go buy themselves some lunch at work, and I know that because I know what that's like. You know what I mean? Not being able to have no money in your pocket to do nothing, because all your money goes to bills. You gotta pay this, or you get a little bit of money, so you gotta pinch and squeeze, rob Peter to pay Paul. Those times should come to an end. And this vehicle is really helping me and my family and tons of other people, you know, live a comfortable life. So even if you don't want to be a big team builder, business pusher, all that, it's okay. Take the products for yourself, and you will start to feel different. And then you're going to want to share these products with other people, y'all. So I encourage you. Like I always say, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about anything being a scam or taking your money. No, this stuff is real. This is a lifestyle. Real people like me are getting their lives changed, are making an extra $600 a week, are getting healthier. You know, you gotta keep your immune system up. They keep bugging out about the coronavirus, and it's here. It's like, bruh, they try to raise the prices on Lysol and alcohol. Like, it's crazy. You know what I mean? So this is all, it's not just about weight loss, y'all. It is overall health and wellness, to prevent things from happening, to prevent things from developing in your body. We are way more than just Detox Tea, NutriBurst, and NRG. We have a lot of great products, you know, protein shakes, alkaline food supplements, and superfoods, all kind of great things, y'all. But you just tap into what you like first, you know what I mean? I am gonna triple up on a NutriBurst because I need to keep my immune system strong, and my family immune system strong, because apparently, you know, the flus, the viruses and all that attract to people who have a weak immune system, you know what I mean? So get you some NutriBurst. It's gonna help keep you covered, like seriously. And I'm glad, this is why I'm glad I've been on this stuff, so it's already in my system, you know what I mean? But seriously, y'all, so listen, I really still want to help 10 women get started with me with TLC, y'all. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Don't make it hard, don't overthink it, don't make it difficult. This is a decision for you, y'all. And this is something that I believe you will be successful in if you put the work in. Don't come up in here thinking you're going to take the tea one day, tomorrow, oh, I ain't losing no weight, what's up? Don't think you're going to sign up tonight, tomorrow, I ain't make $100, yeah, what's up? $1,000, yeah, what's up? No, it takes time. I don't know what type of person you are, but I'm trying to tell you who I want to work with and who this is for. This is not for the lazy. The same way you can put time into your job to do what you have to do, the same energy you need to put in yourself. Don't let these dreams die with you in the grave, because it's like, come on now. The world will never have gotten a chance to know who you are, what you were capable of doing. You know what I mean? So You have to come in this. You can't be lazy. You have to be able to be coachable, teachable, learn as you go. And, you know, bring out that leader in you. You know what I mean? We all got a little leader in us, you know. You can't be scared to talk to people. You know what I mean? But like I said, to build up your confidence, take your products. Get your results. Don't take your tea one night. The next day, I ain't lose no weight. No. This is 25 packs of tea here. This will last you 25 days if you take it once a day. Get you 2 bags so you could have you something to last you into the next month. You know what I mean? So be consistent. That's the main thing I'm trying to get at, is be consistent in everything you do. You know what I mean? So invest in yourself, y'all. Now is the perfect time. The momentum is crazy. If you don't know, TLC, we are doing a G5 challenge. So now, if you don't know what G5 is, it's what G5 stands for get. So everyone, even life changers, qualify. So if you get 5 new customers every single week for the 5 weeks of March, you will be entered into win $5,000 or a Jeep Wrangler. So it's like TLC has a new thing. They give away a lot of money to a lot of people, and all you have to do is just, you know, share these products with people. So if you can sell 5 bottles of NutriBurst a week, that's 5 new customers. Plus you get a $50 bonus every week. Guys, you cannot beat that. So at the same time, you are introducing NutriBurst to 5 new people. Maybe it's 5 people in your family, who knows? And they buy it, you will get a commission of $20. So if you send those 5 people to your website and buy a bottle of NutriBurst, that's $100 you made today, right now. And you will get that $100 tomorrow. And once you get started, I'll show you how to set up your daily pay. So once you make your sales, you get your money, y'all. So it's just awesome. It's amazing. These products are awesome and amazing. I'm super happy and grateful that, you know, I stood the course, you know, because it's been plenty times I feel like I wanted to quit. You know, I ain't seeing my results fast enough, or I ain't doing this and that. Plenty times, you know, evil things tried to come around over me to stop me from doing what I'm doing, but I did not stop, y'all. As you can see, I finally got my vision board up. I look at it every day because I know it's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it. And now I am starting to see the worth it part, because so many people are inboxing me, asking me questions. So many people have these stories about, you know, their weight loss and what they want to accomplish. And so many people believe that TLC and these products is the way to go. And I'm here to tell you, yes. I have never been so strongly, you know, with something ever in my life like I am with TLC, especially being online. I've been online for going on, I think, 2 years now, almost 2 years. And I've been with like 2 different companies since then, you know what I mean? But back then it was, I had the mindset of just, let me hurry up and make some money because I got bills to pay, I gotta do this and that. But I had to slow down and say, you know what, I can't just keep focusing on the money. You know, the money's gonna come. You really have to find something that you love to do and really help people. And then boom, TLC came into my hands, in my system, out in the toilet, and here I am. Kidding with y'all, but seriously, it really changed my life. Like, I am not constipated no more, nor will I ever be, because I'm gonna stay on my products forever and ever. So it's just awesome, y'all. And yeah, so if you're ready to work, let's go. Click the link down below and get started. Get your starter kit, which is $50. I do not get any commissions off of that. So when you join me in business, or when you become a life changer and you sign up people in the future, just know you only get paid off for the product. Not the starter kit, which is $50, only the product that they buy. So I recommend getting started. You want to get your CBD tea and your NutriBurst, or the raspberry tea. Look just like this, but the raspberry tea and the NutriBurst. As long as you get the NutriBurst and the tea, they go together. Make sure you get both of them. You know what I mean? Get your starter kit. You're gonna have samples. You're gonna have pamphlets. You're gonna have things just to give out to people to start your business. And then, you know, I'll tag you on my team and plug you into all of the information that you need to know, the top earners, all that stuff. And then boom, you know what I mean? Because people, we are in business for ourselves, but not by ourselves. You know what I mean? So I'm just super happy to connect with more people. You know, get to know new people, different people. You know what I mean? Because we all have a different. You just to be surprised once you decide to step out your comfort zone, all the possibilities and things that will happen, y'all. So I'm excited, y'all. I feel good. I came back from the gym. My skin, you know what I mean? I can't wait to get my my Rejuve. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what that is and what is that about. But 22 billion in the next year or two, that is a lot, y'all. And we could really change lives, guys. That will really change our life if we decide to get a part of the CBD industry, y'all. CBD is already booming, and it's about to be more booming. So don't let this pass you by. Get on board right now. Lock in your position and let's work, y'all. It's just an honor to see the top earners. Like, I went to an event, Miss Coach Stormy Wellington. She's awesome and amazing, setting the bar for us, you know, people, minorities, you know what I mean? Tammy Price, awesome and amazing to meet her. Sheila Monique, y'all. Jason L. Scott the first. Greg Ilanika Scott, y'all. The CEO, Jack Fallon, the COO, CFO, John McCarry. Awesome and amazing, y'all. So this is really a big family, y'all. I don't just be promoting products, you know. I actually know the man who made this product. I see the man who are making these awesome and amazing products. I have pictures with him. He held my daughter. He was like in love with her. Like, oh my God, she's so cute. I got a picture. I'll probably show you guys. But I am connected to these people, and it's awesome and amazing, y'all, and I want y'all to feel what I feel, okay? So go get your NutriBurst, get your immune system up, because we don't want that corona. Go get your tea to detox the food that you eat, because I know we eat out and things ain't safe no more, you know what I mean? So let's get healthy, y'all. Let's work. I feel like I missed something. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I just want to get on here really quickly and say, hey, that's Kalia, always screaming. And don't forget to, you know, do something that's going to make you happy every day. You know what I mean? Sky is not the limit, because you can go above and beyond. If, you know, you stay dedicated and committed and consistent to one thing that is going to better yourself, y'all, you will realize your life will be totally different in time, sooner than you think. But anyway, guys,